Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
Well, there's a very strong temperature gradient throughout the day today, ranging from well into the 80s down to our south. Meanwhile, we were stuck in the low 70s. That gradient still showing up with our temperatures late into the evening. We see with many spots downstate down in the 70s. Meanwhile, to the north, we are stuck in the 50s. Locally, we're on the cool side of that with many spots in the 50s right now, including 52 in Savannah and Freeport, 55 in Rockford and Rochelle, 51 right now the current temperature in Poplar Grove. Along that boundary, we even saw some scattered thunderstorms during the afternoon. Many of those, though, remained up to our north, and we still see some of that activity out to our east, mainly across Lake Michigan. We are left with just the lingering cloud cover in its wake. That cloud cover showing up with our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera overlooking Rochelle. A nice cool fall evening and a pretty good one even for a bonfire that's ongoing right now. Through the rest of our evening tonight, with that lingering cloud cover in place, we only will drop into the mid and upper 40s for many of us. Although in some spots where that cloud cover remains even a little bit thicker, some spots may even only drop into the low 50s. So here in Rockford, I do think we get some of that clearing that works in, especially toward the early part of tomorrow morning. So likely dropping to around 47 for that overnight low. That temperature gradient also showing up a few thousand feet up in the air. This is a map showing our mid-level temperatures. We have a lot of that warmer air down to our south, but look what happens as we progress this forward into the weekend. A really strong push of cooler air settles in over the Great Lakes. This will drop our high temperatures down really significantly, as well as those overnight lows. As that initial push of cool air comes in, winds will be quite strong during the day tomorrow, gusting close to 30 or 35 miles per hour during the afternoon. And this will have a brisk, cool feel to it, as our temperatures tomorrow will only top out in the low 60s. So it will feel really cool along with that strong wind. And Wednesday, even all the way into Wednesday, still remains at least a little bit stronger with those winds, but high pressure gradually settles in to ease up those winds by the middle of the week. 63 degrees for the high on Sunday, but only 56 on Monday and 53 on Tuesday. We could see a few isolated showers Sunday and into Monday, given the cooler air aloft in the atmosphere and just a little bit of lingering moisture down in the lowest levels. We also have to worry about some really cool overnight lows with the frost and freeze potential for the next couple of days. Meanwhile, in Rockford, normally we see our first freeze of the season around October 13th. So we're actually getting really close to that mark, and our forecast low temperatures for these next few nights getting dangerously close to that mark. 34 degrees on Monday night, 31 degrees on Tuesday night, 36 Wednesday night for those forecast lows. And afternoon highs, not much better, as I mentioned earlier, down in the 50s for those afternoon highs Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. But with high pressure moving in, it will keep us a little bit sunnier for both Tuesday and for Wednesday. And as that moves out, southerly winds take its place, and that brings our temperatures back above average as we head into the end of the week.